The Dragon Park. This is the Dragon Park, a taste of Jiangnan. The art of garden making has a long and rich history in China. It was first developed in the Qin and Han dynasties. Garden culture flourished in the Tang and Song dynasties and reached its zenith in the Ming and Qing dynasties. Gardens across China varied in style, and those found south of the Yangtze River, the Jiangnan area, were the most highly regarded, earning Jiangnan its reputation as home to the world's best gardens. The distinguished style of these gardens helped shape the design and development of the imperial gardens in the north and the Lingnan gardens in the south. The Jiangnan gardens were mostly owned by Literati, whose aesthetics and philosophies permeated the garden design. By creating elegant gardens that appeared to be works of nature, these educated and intelligent people intended to express their ideas of maintaining harmony between man and nature and their aspirations for a humble and tranquil life. The traditional architecture featuring whitewashed walls and black tiled roofs with overhanging eaves and coiled up ends was complemented by interesting and imposing rocks. The layout was planned with remarkable ingenuity. Every turn along the winding paths would open up a new picturesque view of the garden. The Dragon Park is designed in the Jiangnan style. It owes its name to its location, which means the sky dragon. Visitors are most welcome to take a leisurely stroll around the park for a taste of the exquisite ancient gardens of the south. So, diri nga area, diri ko permi gatambay. Kay na may table diha o, tapos na chairs. Tapos nindot kidang view. And then, naa sila ginatawag nga zigzag bridge. Ayan. In this area, mo ni siya akong favorite spot. Kay pag magtambay bitaw ka dari, maglingkod-lingkod lang ka dari sa bridge, manuol dahin ni sila, abi nilang na kay pagkaon. Pero bawal magpakaon dari sa ila. It's a big no. Then dari nga part, na ato dari akong friend nga si Yellow Koi. Asa na to siya? Hi! ayan na siya. Hello! How are you? Kani mangod siya guys, kay kadamuan higog ko dere. Mugawas gina siya, tapos magstay na siya diha. Magsige lang na siya tuyok-tuyok. Then, tapos tabi-tabion ako. Daghan man ni sila nga yellow, pero naayod siya isa ka to dyan isa. Naahi ka nang, nakoy timailhan nga siya to, nasayang agtang. Sa lapad pud kaayo ang ilahang mga pond para sa koy dari nga side. Ayan oh. Malawak siya. Then napod siya payag-payag sa kilid para dito ka mo tambay, tapos tanaw-tanaw ka sa mga isda. Pero bawal lang jud ka hatag og pagkaon na mga gwardya. Na ay turtle. Oh yan. Sina ay turtle. Tapos na ay mga fish nga natulog. Natulog ba sila? Hello! Hi! Hi baby! How are you today? Oh, cute! Kaya naglamay na sila over. Sa other side. Ay, mingaman na rin. Tada! So, maura to, and thank you kaayo sa inyong pag-uban nako sa paglibot-libot diri sa Dragon Park. Ang ginatawag nila Dragon Park nga walay dragon. Char. Bitaw. Thank you so much and God bless. Kay mag-selfie sa ko. Bye-bye!